Hello, dear viewers and learners of the global language. Thank you for watching my videos. It is my endeavor through my videos to help the learners build on their spoken English skills. Welcome to another interesting sound in the language of English. The sound is je. This particular sound is difficult for many non-native speakers of English. The sound is found in many words, for example, pleasure, leisure, measure, treasure. The sound is je, je. You will have to hold the sound for a few seconds if you want the pronunciation to be smooth. Je. Generally, if you don't hold it on, it will tend to give a j sound or a z sound. So it might become pleasure or pleasure. So therefore, I need to hold this j sound to get the correct pronunciation in a smooth manner. Now let's see some more words that contain the sound je, je, pleasure, seizure, treasure, closure, leisure, measure, version, vision, assure, division, visual, massage, mirage, collage, beige, garage. Now if you see the last 5 words are very interesting, I want to repeat them again for you. Massage, mirage, collage, beige, garage. Here are some more words which sound very good with the je sound. Camouflage, concierge, entourage, sabotage, genre. Practice these words over and over again and use them in sentences. Please look up their meanings in the dictionary and use them in sentences. Well, here are some hints to become fluent in the language of English. Listen to the sounds and the rhythm of English. Repeat and imitate. And make it a point to use the words in your daily conversation very consciously. Record your voice and see if you said it correctly. Learning too many rules is only going to get your head all muddled up. Remember the magic rule. Learn like a baby. Listen, repeat, and imitate. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, kindly write it in the comment box or you may pen a mail to me. Hope you enjoyed my lesson. Till the next time, take care and be safe. Bye.